Crash course on Venezuelan cuisine. Welcome to a crash course on the mouthwatering flavors of Venezuelan cuisine. This culinary journey will take you through the iconic dishes, unique regional specialties, and the stories that make Venezuelan food so exciting. Venezuelan cuisine is a fusion of indigenous, African, and European influences, resulting in a diverse and delicious culinary heritage. Let's explore some interesting stories and examples that will tantalize your taste buds. 1. Arepas. These delicious cornmeal patties are a staple in Venezuelan cuisine. They can be filled with various ingredients such as shredded beef, reina pepiada, black beans and cheese, domino, or pork, pernil. 2. Empanadas. These savory pastries are filled with a variety of ingredients like cheese, beef, chicken, or fish. They are often enjoyed as a quick snack or a hearty meal. 3. Pabellón Criollo. Considered the national dish of Venezuela, Pabellón Criollo consists of shredded beef, black beans, rice, and fried plantains. It's a flavorful and satisfying combination of ingredients. 4. Hallacas. These traditional Venezuelan tamales are made with a corn-based dough and filled with a mixture of stewed meat, olives, raisins, and spices. They are typically enjoyed during the Christmas season. 5. Cachapas. These sweet corn pancakes are made from fresh corn kernels and served with cheese. They offer a delightful combination of sweet and savory flavors. 6. Arepa de requesón. This variation of the arepa is made with requesón cheese, giving it a unique and creamy texture. It is often enjoyed for breakfast or as a snack. 7. Ceviche. Venezuelan ceviche is a refreshing dish made with fresh seafood marinated in lime juice, onions, cilantro, and other seasonings. It's a perfect choice for seafood lovers. 8. Asado Negro. This flavorful dish features slow-cooked beef marinated in a rich sauce made with caramelized sugar, onions, and spices. It's often served with rice and plantains. 9. Tequeños. These crispy fried cheese sticks are a popular appetizer in Venezuela. They are made with a dough wrapped around a stick of cheese and are commonly served at parties and gatherings. 10. Mandocas. These deep-fried cornmeal fritters are flavored with anise and served with cheese or jam. They make for a delightful breakfast or snack. 11. Chupe de Camarones. This hearty shrimp soup is made with a rich broth, potatoes, corn, and various vegetables. It's a comforting and flavorful dish. 12. Quesillo. This Venezuelan-style flan is made with condensed milk, eggs, caramel, and a hint of vanilla. It's a smooth and creamy dessert enjoyed throughout the country. Now, let's summarize the diverse and delicious cuisine of Venezuela. From the satisfying arepas and empanadas to the rich and flavorful Pabellón Criollo, Venezuelan cuisine is a testament to the country's culinary creativity and cultural heritage. Each dish tells a story and offers a unique blend of flavors that will leave you craving for more. And now, a poem inspired by the flavors and aromas of Venezuelan cuisine. In Venezuela's land, flavors come alive. A culinary journey, where passions thrive. Arepas filled with love and delight. Empanadas that vanish out of sight. Pabellón Criollo, a national treasure. Shredded beef, black beans, and pleasure. Hallacas wrapped with care and grace. Christmas traditions we all embrace. Cachapas, sweet and oh so divine. With cheese, they create a taste sublime. Ceviche, fresh from the coastal seas. Bringing joy with every single breeze. Asado Negro, a savory affair. Slow-cooked beef beyond compare. Tequeños, crispy and cheese-filled bliss. A bite-sized delight, hard to resist. Mandocas fried to golden perfection. Anise-flavored, a delicious confection. Chupe de Camarones, a soup so grand. Shrimp and flavors, hand in hand. Quesillo, smooth as a caramel dream. A sweet finale, a dessert supreme. Venezuelan cuisine, a feast for all. Celebrating flavors, both big and small. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?ad=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and may your culinary explorations be filled with delicious discoveries.